class. Okay, so I will continue with the what we call the undetermined coefficient method. Okay, for the past video, for the previous one is I show you on how to choose a suitable YP only. Okay, I just show that. So now in this video, I will show you how to answer or how to solve the non-homogeneous equation by using undetermined coefficient method for the full steps. Okay, full steps. So let's say you have an equation determine the general solution of d square y dx square minus 3 dy dx minus 4y equal to 2x cubed plus 4 by using undetermined coefficient method. Okay, alright, so it's clear, it's stated already, it's want to use the undetermined coefficient method. So if you use another method, which is a variation parameter, where we will learn that method after this, okay, in the next video, so your answer will be wrong. Okay, you need to clear, you need to clear on what's the question asks you to solve it by using what method. Okay, so this method is undetermined coefficient method. Okay, so if you refer back to the previous video, I think maybe it's the first video for this week, I already show you, already list down for you the steps. Okay, step by step, step 1, step 2, step 3, and so on. So the first step is you need to make it, or you need to make it, this equation will become homogeneous. Okay, because this equation is non-homo. But to proceed for the calculation, you need to make it become homogeneous first. So step number 1, so you just write back the equation here, and this equation is equal to 0. Okay, this equation equal to 0. Then you find out your m square and so on. So this is m square minus 3m minus 4 equal to 0. So you factorize it. Okay, so you can use your calculator. 1, negative 3, negative 4. So it will be m minus 4 and also m plus 1. So means that your m1 here is 4 and your m2 here is negative 1. Okay, so then by using what? By using the okay, so this is step number 1. So step number 2, by using table. Okay, this table you can refer to the slides. Okay, this table. Okay, find out what is the roots. Okay, so this is your roots. So for step number 2 is to find the suitable YP. Okay, to find the suitable. Okay, so before that, maybe you can write first what is your YH. Okay, YH is, this is real and distinct. So EA for X plus BE negative X. So this is your YH. So now we go to step number 2 back. Okay, YP. So to choose a suitable YP, so you need to refer your FX. So your FX here is 2x cubed plus 4. And this is a polynomial. Okay, this is a polynomial. So you just refer to the first and second row. Okay, so then you tengok you punya M. Look at your M. Your M1 is 4. And your M2 is negative 1. And okay, refer to this one, it said that your M1 is not equal to 0 and M2 not equal to 0. Okay, so is it equal to 0, our M? Yes, our M is not equal to 0 for both, right? Both are not equal to 0. So that means this is our YP. Okay, so your YP will be, okay, check. This is the highest power here, which is x cubed. So that means it will be A3x cubed plus A2x squared plus A1x plus A0. Okay, so this is how we write our YP. It must follow a sequence and it must end with A0. Okay, so this is our YP. Okay, then what's next? Okay, step number 3 is to find out YP prime and YP double prime. Okay, YP prime and also yp double prime. Okay, so differentiate this equation with respect to x lah, of course with respect to x. So we will get 3a3x squared plus 2a2x plus a1. So this one is for yp prime. Okay, then yp double prime 6a3x plus 2a2. So you already have both equation yp prime and yp double prime. So what we do next? Okay, we need to substitute these two equations, into the original equation. Sorry, where is the original? Okay, this is the original equation. So you need to substitute into this equation. So this is d square, this is dy. So means that for the second or the double prime, you need to substitute here, and the yp prime you need to substitute here, and y will be yp. Okay, maybe saya tulis macam ni lah. This is equation first equation, second equation, and third equation. So all these three you need to substitute back into the original equation. Okay, I show you here. Okay, so this just now your equation is y ataupun kita tulis y double prime minus 3y prime minus 4y equal to 2x cubed plus 4. Okay, so y double prime you will substitute this one, yp double prime. So it will be 6a3x plus 2a2. Okay, close bracket, and then we continue with the y prime. So y prime here is 3a3x squared plus 2a2x plus a1. Close the bracket. Okay, close the bracket, and then the last one is minus 4y, and y we will replace with this one, yp. Okay, so it will be a3x cubed plus a2x squared plus a1x plus a0. Okay, and then equal, so equal to 2x cubed plus 4. Okay, alright, so next what we do? Okay, just simplify, open the bracket and then rearrange the equation based on follow the sequence. Follow the sequence means x cubed, x squared, x, and without x. So okay, I will show you. We open the bracket first. Okay, so this is okay, I will put it aside here, and then open the bracket this one. So it will be 9a3x squared minus 6a2x minus 3a1. Okay, then open this bracket, so it will be 4a3x cubed minus 4a2x squared minus 4a1x minus 4a0, and this equation is equal to 2x cubed plus 4. Okay, rearrange. Okay, what I mean by rearrange? Okay, can you see they have x, they have x squared, x cubed, and so on. So rearrange according to the power of x. So we will start with x cubed first. Okay, we will start with x cubed. So that means you will have negative 4a3x cubed. Okay, only one kan, so habis. And then we proceed with the x squared. So they have 9. Is it 9? Yeah, 9. 9a3x squared and also minus 4a2x squared. Okay, settle. Then we proceed with x. So we have plus 6a3x minus 6a2x minus 4a1x. Okay, finish. And the last one is without x. So plus 2a2 minus 3a1 minus 4a0. And this equation is equal to this one. Okay, next. You will, okay, after you rearrange according to the power of x, so now we want to what we call gather macam ni let's say, okay, this one is only 1, so it's okay lah, it's just only 1 x cubed here, but for x squared they have 2. Okay, they have 2, so what I will do, okay, I will put plus in front of here. Okay, saya letak tambahkan. So negative, this negative is belong to 9, and this negative is belong to 4. Maksudnya you need to bring together, okay, because I already put plus in front of here. So that means it's 9a3 minus 4a2, close the bracket, so write your x squared outside there. So if you open the bracket back, you will get these two back. Okay, so I just want to what we call together the what we call the coefficient of x square. So you do it the same thing for x. So you can see they have 3x here. So you take out or you just bring the coefficient inside here. So 6a3 minus 6a2 minus 4a1 and then close the bracket, so there will be x here. Okay, and then the last one, okay, the last one tak ada masalah lah because the last one is without x. So just remain as it is. Okay, alright, so 2x cubed plus 4. Okay, now x cubed, x squared, x and without x, you already compile it. Okay, you already compile. So now what we do next is to find the value for x for a3, a2, a1 and a0. So by using comparison, okay, by using comparison. So what's meant by comparison here is you have, okay, you can see, you see carefully, this one, all of this is located at the left hand side, and then you have equal, right? Equal to x cubed plus 4. So 2x cubed plus 4 is at the right hand side. So you need to compare what have in the right and at the left hand side with the right hand side, left hand side and right hand side. So we start first with the term x cubed. Okay, we start first with x cubed. So x cubed, we just only have negative 4a3 at the left hand side. How about at the right hand side? Okay, you refer to this one. Okay, this one is the right hand side. Okay, after the what we call the equation here, the equation symbol here is mean right hand side. Before it is left hand side. Okay, so at the right hand side, there exists, right, x cubed. Dia ada x cubed kat sini. What is the coefficient for x cubed here? It's 2. Okay, you just take it the coefficient for x3, for x cubed lah, x power of 3. Like this, at the left hand side, you just only have negative 4a3. So you write negative 4a3, and then equal. At the right hand side, you have only you have 2x cubed, means that the coefficient for x3 itself is 2. So you write 2 here. So then what is your a3? Okay, you can move it this to this side, so you have negative 1 over 2. So automatic you will get your a3 now is negative half or negative 1 over 2. Okay, alright. So now we proceed to x squared. Okay, we go to x squared. So this is the term that consists of x squared. So they have negative 9a3 minus 4a2 equal at the right hand side. What we have at the right hand side? Do you have x squared here? Do you have x squared? No, you doesn't have x squared. The x squared doesn't exist at the right hand side. Tak wujud. So bila tak wujud, it doesn't there, so means that it's equal to 0. Okay, when it's something not there, so means that it's equal to 0. Okay, so you will equate equal to 0. So and this a3 you already have the value here. Just substitute. Okay, because you already get the value here. So just substitute negative 1 over 2 here. So and then okay, minus 4a to 0. So because of your objective now is to get a value for a2, so you can bring this a2 to the, okay, maybe I will bring this one lah. So this one will be negative 4a2. So positive 9 over 2 move to the side, so negative 9 over 2. So this one negative, negative, so it will be positive. So a2 is equal to 9 over 8. Okay, suppose you should get your a2 is 9 over 8. Okay, so now we already done for x cubed, x squared. So now we do it for x. Okay, this is x. So at the right hand, sorry, at the left hand side we have 6a3 minus 6a2 minus 4a1. At the right hand side, do you have any term that consists of x? Is there any x there? Ada tak x dekat belah kanan? They have no x. Okay, it just only x cubed, but they have no x. Tak ada. Macam sama juga macam x square. They have no x square, right? So means that it equal to 0. So a3, a2, you already have the value here. You already get the value from here. So just substitute the value. Okay, negative ni. Okay, and then for a1 0. So just simplify. So negative 2, and then this one is 4, 3, 3, 27 over 4. okay, minus 4a1 to 0. So negative 4a1, so this one you bring to the right hand side. So negative 2 minus 27 over 4, so negative 35, so it is negative, so means that it's positive lah, 35 over 4. So A1 will be negative 35 over 16. Is it 35? 39? Okay. Negative 2 minus 27 over 4. Negative 3. Sorry. This one is negative 3. Okay, so negative 3 minus 27 over 4 is will be 39. 39 over 16. Okay, so this is the answer for A1. So now we come to the last one, which is A0. Okay, A0 means that is nothing lah. Okay, saya just tulis A0 because we know this is x cubed, this is x squared, this is x power of 1, and the last one is x0. Because any number when you power with 0, it will be 1. Okay, maksudnya tak ada x lah sebenarnya, tapi just nak to make it standardized, I write x0. Okay, so the last term here is 2a2 minus 3a1 minus 4a0, and this equation equal to what? At the right hand side, there is any number that doesn't have any x? Maksudnya macam yang tak ada x langsung. Macam kalau belah kiri tadi x square, x cube, x and so on. So it's same thing at the right hand side. You can see that at the right hand side they have x cube plus 4. Means that 4 here actually is a constant. Okay, it's a constant. So it's similar lah macam ni. They have no x, right? Tak ada x. Because x power 0 is means nothing. Tak ada x lah. Okay, so at the right hand side will be 4. Okay, so now you just substitute A2 you already have here, and A1 here. So you get what is your A0. So I just write down the final answer. So A0 will be 89 over 64. Okay, so this is the answer: A0, A1, A2, and A3. So this is a step number 3. Maksudnya step number 3 tadi cari YP prime, cari YP double prime, and also you need to fill out this one to get the value for A0, A1, A3, and so on. So after you get all these 4 numbers, what we do next is just substitute back into your equation. So the final answer will be YH plus YP. Okay, so your YH will be remain as YH lah, is this? So tadi apa YH kita? Okay, AE 4x plus BE negative x. Okay, and then your YP. So what is your YP? Okay, what is your YP? Okay, this is your YP. A3 x cube blah 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 blah. Okay, so YP here, you already have the value for A3 just now, right? So just substitute here. So your A3 just now is negative half, right? So maybe I can write here negative half x cube. Okay, saya tutup bracket dulu lah. So negative half x cube plus A2 just now is 9 over 8, so x square, plus A1. What is your A1 tadi? Negative 39 over 16 over x. And last one, what is your A0? Your A0 here is 89 over 64. Okay, so okay, I just write it back. So AE 4x plus BE negative x. Okay, minus 1 over 2x cube plus 9 over 8x square minus 3 over 9 16x plus 89 64. Yeah, here we go. This is the final answer. Okay, so then you can stop lah calculate. So if you can see that you still have A and B, which is unknown here, right? So this A and B, if you still remember in the homogeneous equation, what we do, we will solve A and B when we comes to the question ask you to find ask you to solve initial value problem. So in the next video, I will show you another example on initial value problem. This is not initial value problem yet. This is just a solve the general solution baru. Okay, bukan lagi IVP. And then in the next video baru saya tunjukkan how to solve IVP. So at that moment ataupun at the stage of the IVP means that your final answer is no longer S and B. Maksudnya dia dah takkan ada lagi A and B, A and B. Okay, you need to find out A and B if the question asks you to find initial value problem. Alright, so okay class, so I will end this video here. So I will see you on the next video, which is I will show you how to solve initial value problem for undetermined coefficient method. Okay, bye.